This is kind of a continuation of my vlog. Yes, I have my towel around me. It's actually a little towel dress. So there you go. I just got out of the bathtub, washed my hair. I have my square headband on so I can get my makeup on. I put my face lotion on, and before I start, I have this leave-in hair product. After I wash my hair, I received this from Octoly free of charge for my review, and I want to read just a few things it says on the back. That it replenishes, strengthens, stimulates follicles, revitalizes and gives you shine. It repairs, prevents heat damage. It's a natural sunscreen, color safe, soothes the scalp, and eliminates frizz. And you're supposed to wash your hair and spray lightly on clean hair, wet or dry, before applying heat for styling. It's called Top Salon Formula. This is what it looks like. And I have used it, and I don't really even notice I have anything on my hair when I use it. So, you know, if you're certainly willing to try it on your own, it's not, in my opinion, I've used better. And so I'm only going to have you with me for a while. I'm getting dressed for that. I'm getting dressed for I'm putting this on my red blotches, for the open call. It's going to be at our local theater tonight. It's like a valley-wide talent show, and people have already auditioned, and tonight are the performances. And it's quite a big deal. And I'm looking forward to going. We're going to go out to dinner first. And then I'm going with a couple gal pals. So this is that palette that I think is a miracle. It's a miracle. Now look how much I put on. But that's what it takes. And then after that, kind of daub it in. And then after that, I put my foundation on top of it. You know what I've been doing? I've been using my Face Atelier after my foundation, because it's been hot here. And I find that that even this much of my makeup, getting this much on, I'm already starting to get perspiring. So this helps really set my foundation, and I can go on to my eyes and my other makeup. Okay, I'm going to hang up now, and because I think this is already 6 minutes, and this is going to be like a little vlog of my day. Okay, you guys, I'm wearing my black jumpsuit. You saw me wear it in the fashion show the other day. I'm off. I'm going to get in the car, and I'm on my way to the McCallum Theater. So come along with me, you guys. Bye. Okay, I'm in the car. I'm on my way to Palm Desert, which is going to take me about 25 minutes. Today starts the second weekend of Coachella, so the town is packed, and a lot of action, a lot of tourists, and it's kind of fun. I'm kind of getting ready to go to Kauai. I bought that dress. I bought a bathing suit cover-up, and I have to get a bathing suit, you guys. Is there anything worse in the world than having to get a bathing suit when you're 67 and overweight? I'm trying to get myself situated. So I've been on, actually I found the perfect bathing suit. It was black, V-neck, and it had this darling little nylon-ish skirt attached to it. Well, guess what? I got it. And they were sold out. Amazon sent me a thing that said, we've refunded your money back on your PayPal account because we've sold out of those bathing suits. It was a miracle suit, and I've been online looking for another one, but they don't have my size. I found one, but it's a small size, so forget that. But I wanted a cover-up. You ladies can relate to this. I wanted a cover-up for my bathing suit that was full length, but still would not make me hot. So I found this one online. It was like $11, and I loved it. I got it, and it was actually a tiny bit too big for me. So I got a different size, and I received that one, and it's fine. But it's like a white, I want to say lace, but it's not lace. It's like a, I'll show you guys a picture of it. I'm gonna, of course, wear it over my bathing suit, but like I could even go into the grocery store with it on, with my bathing suit underneath, and because you can't really see anything, it's very camouflagey. So I wanted something to cover up my legs as well as my trunk area, but still not be too hot. Like I didn't want t-shirt material because it's hot in Kauai. And you know, they just had that deluge of rain. So I'm hoping that will be taken care of by the May 8th, because that's when I'm going. Okay, you guys, we are here. We're walking up. We have reserved seats, and it's really a nice theater. Okay, there are my lady friends that I'm meeting. Here they are.